This video will demonstrate how to load the special feeder tray. The special feeder is identified by a small dial and a rod that sticks through the tray. It looks similar to the automatic tray. It has the same hinge and knurled nut for adjusting the side guides. What makes it different is the rod that adjusts the lower separation roller. This is the lower separation roller. This rod connects into a socket and moves the roller up or down. Once set, the roller stays in place and doesn't move. The special feeder is a manual separation feeder. Another way to identify a special feeder is by the blue sticker on the cover of your DS-64i or DS-77iQ. If the sticker is missing, lift the cover and look for a small hole near where your thumb would rest. That hole confirms it's a special feeder. Let's walk through how to load the special feeder. Open the side guides and prepare your paper. Remove any damaged sheets and use clean, blank paper if possible. Place the paper in the tray, ensuring the pages are separated. Like the automatic feeder, make sure the pages are separating nicely. Then, put it into place. Push the lever in to engage the mechanism. It should stay in place. Note the tray markings. A large mark opens the roller for thicker paper. A small mark lowers it for thinner paper. Engage the lever and turn the dial counterclockwise to open the separation. Insert the paper. Open the separation by turning it counterclockwise. The paper is now moving freely into the separation roller. Tighten the dial until the paper is held in place with light to moderate pressure. As you're holding the paper, move the dial counterclockwise until the paper comes out. Grab another sheet of paper, envelope, or buck slip. You should not be able to fully feed it. In this example, I will fully feed it into my tray. Next, I will turn the dial about a quarter turn. This results in another sheet of paper not being able to go fully in. You may notice the need for very fine adjustments with regular paper. As for BREs, heavy-weighted paper, or pre-folded documents, you can be a bit more flexible with backing off on your initial adjustments. For 20-pound paper or less, you need very tight tolerances. Once adjusted, load the tray like the automatic feeder. Hinge the side, listen for it to hit the back, and close the hinge. Now you're ready to feed. The next step would be to run your job and observe the feed. Remove other feeders if needed for a better view. If the paper struggles, jams, or feeds too quickly, stop the job. Make micro adjustments and try again. This concludes how to load the special feeder.